Hi guys, picked this up in the charity shop. Stunt Glider, build it yourself. 60cm wingspan. I've already taken it out of the box. It's all made of cardboard and it was all folded up to go in the box. So I've no idea how well it's going to go together. But we do have instructions. Now your glider is ready to fly. We can put the stickers on, we'll leave that for a minute. Flight checks. Before your glider goes airborne, you must ensure it's straight and true. Your glider is quite fragile, yeah. If it climbs, bend the flaps down on the tail. If it nosedives, bend them up. If it turns left, bend the tail fin to the right. Yeah, okay. It is quite heavy. It is of course 9 o'clock at night and it's pitch black outside, so we're not going to be taking it outside to fly it. But I guess we can at least look at it. Yeah. Well, it's very heavy, and I think if I throw it down the kitchen like I normally do, it's going to hurt itself because it's so heavy. I'll just gently throw it that way. But if it's a nice day tomorrow, we might try it out outside. Well, it flew, didn't it? I'm amazed. Yeah, I'm not going to throw it any harder than that indoors. But it did look like it might fly. It's going to break here. That's going to be the first place it's going to break. That's going to be the weak point, I reckon. But hey, for £1 out of cardboard, I did manage to follow the instructions, and we have got a glider, cardboard glider.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.